Bewitched Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to die cut a stamped image. We're using the Swirly Seashells thin cuts and matching stamp set to create today's project. Let's get started. We're going to start today with two pieces, the thin cuts dies and the stamps from Swirly Seashells. Remember, anytime you see a blue outline on a stamped image, it means we have a matching thin cut die. The dies come in a package on a magnetic sheet to help you keep them organized. Today we're going to be working with a scallop design, so I'm going to go ahead and take that die out. The die is a very thin metal piece with a clear edge and a flat surface. We'll set that aside for now. The matching stamp set features all the same images, so I'm just going to take this scallop shell and put it on my acrylic block. Peel it off the backing. Select a block that's similar in size and apply. I'm going to stamp my image in Blossom ink. I've got my foam mat under my cardstock. Tap gently on the ink pad and apply. Lift straight up, and there's our stamped image. Now to get that perfect die cut edge, we need to take our die cut with the flat side toward us, facing up, and set it around the edge exactly where it needs to cut. I'm going to hold it in place with eye tape, which is a repositionable tape. It only takes a small amount. I'm going to get this just where I need it. Apply my tape. And I'll bring in my die cutting machine. I'm using an Evolution die cutting machine today. You could use a Cuttlebug or any number of other manual die machines. You want to build your basic sandwich by placing your die between two acrylic sheets. Feed the sandwich through your die cutting machine as you normally would. I'm just going to open it up, gently remove the die and now the tape. And we have a perfectly die cut scallop seashell. Our thin cuts and stamp set bundles are available in a variety of different themes, sized perfectly for both cards and scrapbook pages. Give them a try and get crafty!